Alright guys, today we're doing a review of this MadeGood Red Velvet Soft Baked Mini Cookies. Now, why? I got these, they were on sale, but they're also, if you look here, free from nuts for safe for school, all that basic stuff, has some vegetables in there. Here's that neutral panel. Okay, so this is what's inside, guys. So it does have sugar. It is gluten-free, so that's a bonus. If you look here, it's also vegan. That's why I picked it up, and it was on sale, and it's free from all of these type of things. So, all right, let's do a quick taste test. So let's open this up. If you look here, they come with little packages like this. So let's open this up. Okay, so here's the package open. They look like really tiny cookies. So. Look at that. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Actually really good. They are kind of sweet, but they are very soft and tender. I actually like these more than their granola clusters. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.